Yo, welcome back to the channel. Well, today I did it. I broke my DJI Mavic Pro drone. And I'm going to show you how to repair it now. So the first thing you need to get is one of these little kits here. So they are... This one happens to be, I think, Canadian Tire. If you don't have Canadian Tire in the States, you go to your Lowe's, your Home Depot, go to your hardware store, and you want to get a precision driver kit. So the only way that you're going to be able to get inside this drone is to have a precision driver kit. So make sure you pick up one of those. I'll find one on Amazon, actually. I'll find the tools you need, and I'll link them in the description below. I grabbed this thing so that I could have, like, you know, whatever, repair something else. Maybe I hope I don't crash it again, but if I do, I've got it now. So I like tools. So. All right, so let's get into to opening up this drone. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do to your drone is remove the battery. So pop out the battery. There you go, boom. The second thing you want to do is remove all of the propellers, just so they're basically not in your way. Now that you have the battery off, you're going to see underneath the battery compartment, you have some screws. Here under the plate, you're going to see the screws. So I believe they're 1.5. So we will grab that out of our kit. Right here. It's 1.5. Which that is the case. They are a 1.5. Confirmed 1.5. Allen key or hex driver. 1.5 hex driver, 1.5 Allen key, 1.5. So take out the screws. 1, 2, 3. That one seems a little stripped. So here, 3. Now, if the screw is stripped, the key to the stripped screws is grab the same size, but not in a hex. You want to grab it in a Torx. Okay, so we're gonna do T5 Torx to try and get that strip screw out. So I haven't opened this before, but this is something that happens from the factory. There you go, T6 grabs. So if you have a stripped Allen key, try T6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, we got those out. And 2 on the rear of the unit. Now underneath here is the GPS, which is connected by a wire, so make sure you are careful when you pop up the cover that you disconnect your GPS unit. Alright, now all of the screws that you've taken out, you want to make sure that you put them in a safe spot. So we counted, we had 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 at the back, 5, 6. And when we look at these screws, they're all the same. So those 6 screws are all the same. We're going to put them together because, well, it doesn't really matter if we mix them up. Now what you want to do is you're going to flip your drone over, upside down. Okay, like so. And you're going to see you have a screw here and here. Okay, so you want to remove those. I think, okay, so these ones under here, they have a little bit of glue in them. So you just want to scrape that out. Okay. Now that's out. There we go. Okay, so if you have trouble putting your driver into the screws that are under the arms, there's a lot of jelly in there. Not jelly, but glue or silicone probably. So do a lot of scraping. Okay, that was horrible. Anyway, one's out. Let's try the other side. Okay, so I'm having a heck of a time with this one screw right here. It's really stripped. It won't come out. I've tried a few different sized screws to try and get it out, screwdrivers. And I haven't been successful. So yeah, this is a big pita, this one screw here. This seems to grab. It's just so tight in there. Let me try some pliers with that. Alright, so I'm not even sure I'm going to include that in the video because I highly don't recommend doing any of what I just did to your very expensive DJI Mavic drone. But I really wanted to get flying again, so I went ahead and did that, and actually I think we're good. I was able to get the bolt out. There doesn't look to be any damage underneath here. So yeah, we're just going to have to order a couple new parts here. I'm going to have to order a new cover, and hopefully that cover comes with the top screw. But this one will go back on for now, so that is excelente. There we go. Okay, well, that's good. That's out. On to the next set of screws, which are these guys here. So we got to do these two. So let's really hope that they're not stripped and the proper size fits right in, which is the one that's on here. Switching over to the Torx because I can feel that one already. It's really tight. Wow, these screws are so tight. I have no idea why. None. No idea why they're so crazy tight. It might actually have been worth the DJI Care refresh.
One eternity later.
Okay, got it out. So all the screws are out, top is open. Fingers crossed here that these ones will come off a lot easier. Okay, so we got the cover off. We got to take off these two ribbon cables, these two cables, and this one here. So first we'll pop that one off. This black and white wire here. Okay, so slide that out. That's the power cable. And these two ribbon cables here, we just want to pop them off. And the same with these two here. Pop them off. And there's quite a bit of glue on these guys. Just make sure all the glue is removed so that they slide out the bottom. I realize that I'm talking down to the drone, so I'll try and stop doing that. Okay, so now screws. You want to do this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so there we go. It basically just dropped down there. So that white cable, power cable, seems to be stuck there. There we go. Got it out. Still have a screw up here. Boom. Out. Alright, so I'm going to be really, really careful of the ribbon cable there. But you can see what I broke. There. Okay, so that is the part there that's broken. So I'm just going to take that off and pop the new one on. So we do have a control board here that we're going to want to transfer over. Do we need to? No. I'm just going to take this off. Well, now I'll use the whole board. Okay, so we'll transfer this circuit board over to here first. So undo that screw. And there is my two pieces. Oh, I hadn't been in focus because I had it so close anyway. Well, there you go. That's what broke off. This little guy, right there. Yeah, that broke off of this piece. That's what's causing all my problems. Here. There we go. Now you're focused on my face again.
One eternity later.
And one more click there. Just make sure you press down all these connectors and make sure they're in. So there we go. We have officially attached everything back in. So we're good to go there. Alright, there we go. All attached. Here, I'll let you guys have a look. This is what we've been working on in here. So all of that's done. Alright. Okay, so we've got all of the ribbon cables back on. They're connected, they're clamped down, nice and tight. We've got our power cable connected. The next thing we've got to do is connect our GPS and replace the top cover. So here is our GPS cable. Pop that in there. Boom. Okay, so that's on. Pop your cover back on. So, boom. Ta-da. 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 Uh-huh. Now all we gotta do is throw the screws back in. Okay, so we know the ones that we have here came from the top. And then we also know most of the bottom ones got ruined. So here we go. We did the screws on this side, screws on this side, we put them back. Now we're going to take these little clips, we're going to pop those back in, like so. Maybe this side, this side. So yeah, they just snap back in there. Grab the second one here. Boom. Cha-cha. Alright, everything's put back together, so let's hope that she flies. The big investment that I kind of wrecked. I do have the DJI Care, so if my repair didn't work, then I'll definitely be utilizing that. Alright, so hopefully this video helps some of you guys out there maybe repair your DJI Mavic drone. It definitely was a little bit of a learning experience for me. The hex screws in these drones are garbage, so if you do have Care Refresh, it's probably worth it to send it to them so that they can fix it for you. But if you did learn something from the video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.